Are you a translator or PM worried about your livelihood? Fear not. Your new career begins today with the Freelance Translator Academy. Our courses cover everything you need to succeed as a freelance translator. Learn how to market yourself, build a killer resume, and leverage platforms like pros.com and LinkedIn. Worried about AI taking over? We've got courses on how to use AI to your advantage. Plus, we offer specialized training for introverts on networking and setting up your own translation agency. Imagine working from anywhere in the world as a digital nomad or mastering a new language as an adult. Our practical, action-oriented curriculum makes it all possible. And the best part? You get lifetime access to all materials, updates, and direct support whenever you need it. Join a supportive community of translators, gain certification, and unlock your translation career today. Also get free access to the Translator Certification Test. Freelance Translator Academy. Everything you need for your translation career. Visit the link below to gain access.